In this video, we are going to solve distance between two points. Now question is, find the distance between point 2, 3 and point 5, 6. To solve this, let given points are P 2, 3 and Q is 5, 6. Now distance between them by distance formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now the value of x1, x2 is 2, 5 and value of y1, y2 is 3, 6. Now distance between them PQ is equal to under root of 5 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square. To solve this, we'll get 3 square plus 3 square, which is 9 plus 9, root 18, and root 18 can be written as root 9 into 2. Now the value of root 9 is 3 and root 2 is as it is. So 3 root 2 unit is the answer.